Alright, in this video I'm going to go over some basic page creation. I'm not going to dive into everything that this theme has to offer, but I'll go over enough to get you going. So first thing I want to do to make a new page, obviously, is go to the dashboard, and we'll go to Pages. Alright, and then we can either work with one we've already created, or we can do a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and do a new one. And let's see, video tutorial, how about that? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save my work by hitting Save Draft. Now, it depends on what you want to do with your particular page. For instance, we have these two example pages set up. They're going to look the same to each other. One, we have this gray ribbon and title here. We have a picture on the right. Then we have a quick little section of text, and then we have this little short code for testimonial slider. Alright, and then if I go to example 2, I have the title again, but I don't have the ribbon. The first one had that ribbon up top. This one, so we can set that if we like to. Alright, I still have the same stuff up top. I have another image and some text in the middle. Then I have toggle boxes, so I can actually, maybe I want to put FAQs or services or whatever else. So you have a few things that you can work with, whether it's using short codes or just the standard editor within WordPress. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to drop some text in here. Alright, I got some basic text, and then I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. See, let's take a quick look. And then there I have a pretty generic video page or video tutorial page. Okay, so now I can start playing around with a few things. So first is whether you want a sidebar or not. So right now, this demo, we only have one sidebar. You can create sidebars by coming here and to the sidebar creator and creating a sidebar, and you can make as many sidebars as you like and stick them on individual pages. So if you have a sidebar that you want specifically for a certain page, you can do that, and then you would just add your widgets to that particular sidebar. So for now, I'm using the default sidebar, and then what I want to do next is come down to this template section, and then I'm going to choose right sidebar. I'll update. And now what I'll have is a little bit different of a layout. I have a right sidebar and then this section of text here. Okay, and this is, I believe, is pulling from the blog. All right. So next thing, let me put that back. Let me go ahead and let's add an image. No, actually, let's do an image. Let's choose from something we've already used before. We'll do this in the center. Just insert it. And we could format a little bit better than I'm doing, but I'm just kind of going through it. Now we have an image popped in there. Okay, and what you'll see is I did a full size, and it's too big for this. This is a 668. I thought I'd put this to default, so that's my mistake. Let's put it back. Let's try this one more time. There, now we have our image, and we have our little layout. Now what we can do is start working with different templates we have. If I do a page with no background, it'll get rid of this white box. This where the content sits. So maybe you want to make your pages on the background, maybe upload a nice background. You can do that. Okay. You can also do the template 1, and I believe that is the template that has the ribbon. Yep, there's the ribbon. So your title would be within that ribbon. All right. So you can play with that. Now, there's a few other things in here. You have to create your blog page. You have to do your testimonials page if you're going to use testimonials, and I'll cover those in other tutorials, so I'm not going to touch base on that now. Another thing you can do is hide the title, and the title would be this. So whatever you name your page, like in here, that is what's going to show up. So if I do yes for hide the title, now I have no title showing up. Alright, and what you can also do is, this theme comes with shortcodes. You can pull from different sets of shortcodes to build out your pages. So maybe you want to add some buttons, toggle boxes, tooltips, little tab content, sliders, a few other things you can put in there to make the page look nicer. And that will do it for creating pages.